BMW is taking things up a notch with the new M3 CS Touring, a high-performance station wagon limited to just 30 units in Japan. It is a serious machine for drivers who want more than just daily practicality. They want that motorsport edge too. Orders are open now, but only until July 13th, and deliveries are set to begin after November. This special version is based on the M3 competition M xDrive Touring, but with a serious performance boost. Power output has been increased by approximately 20 horsepower, bringing it to 550 PS or 405 kilowatts. Along with more muscle, it also loses about 15 kilograms thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic in parts like the hood, grille, air intakes, mirror caps, and even the center console. The weight drop, paired with the power bump, allows the CS Touring to hit 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Inside, it is not just about speed. You get front carbon bucket seats, Alcantara steering wheel, and a CFRP center console, all echoing the race-ready DNA. Meanwhile, the rear seats remain practical, offering space for 3 adults. This car blends track vibes with real-world usability in a way very few vehicles can. It is not all looks either. BMW has reworked the chassis with additional ball joints, 14 in total, strengthened engine mounts, a refined suspension setup, and carbon ceramic brakes that come standard. The driving experience aims to be razor sharp while still keeping the touring identity alive. The M3 CS Touring comes with a suggested retail price of 20,980,000 yen in Japan. That is a big step up from the 14,800,000 yen base M3 competition Touring. But with all the added power, lightweight materials, and exclusivity, it is clear this is not just another version, it is the best of the breed. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss more content like this.